Hey there, fellow drivers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: road safety during night drives. Nighttime can present unique challenges on the road, but with a few key tips and precautions, you can ensure a smooth and secure journey. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. Before hitting the road at night, it's crucial to ensure your vehicle is in optimal condition. Regularly check your headlights, taillights, and turn signals to make sure they're working correctly. Clean your windshields and mirrors to maximize visibility, and ensure your tires are properly inflated for better traction. Remember, a well-maintained vehicle is a safer vehicle. One of the biggest challenges during nighttime driving is reduced visibility. To combat this, make sure your headlights are clean and properly aligned. Use your high beams when there's no oncoming traffic, but remember to switch to low beams when approaching other vehicles. Also, avoid looking directly at oncoming headlights, as they can temporarily blind you and impair your vision. Night driving can be more tiring than daytime driving, so it's crucial to stay alert. Avoid drowsiness by getting enough rest before your journey. Take breaks every couple of hours to stretch your legs and combat fatigue. If you find yourself feeling sleepy, it's best to pull over in a safe area and take a short nap or switch drivers if possible. Remember, nothing is more important than your safety. Defensive driving is always important, but it becomes even more crucial during nighttime. Keep a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead to allow for unexpected maneuvers or stops. Be aware of pedestrians, cyclists, and animals that may be harder to spot in the dark. Use your side mirrors frequently and be mindful of blind spots. Remember, being a defensive driver can help prevent accidents. Distractions can be extremely dangerous during night drives. Avoid using your phone or any other electronic device while behind the wheel. Set your GPS and adjust your vehicle's controls before you start driving. If you need to make a call or respond to a message, pull over in a safe area. Remember, your attention should always be on the road. Nighttime is when many animals become more active, so it's important to be cautious. Pay attention to warning signs indicating animal crossings and reduce your speed accordingly. If you spot an animal on or near the road, slow down, honk your horn, and flash your headlights to encourage them to move away. Avoid swerving abruptly, as it can lead to losing control of your vehicle. Nighttime emergencies can be more challenging to handle, so it's crucial to be prepared. Keep a well-stocked emergency kit in your vehicle, including a flashlight, spare batteries, first aid supplies, reflective warning triangles, and a fully charged mobile phone. In case of a breakdown or other emergency, these items will prove invaluable. Fatigue can set in quickly during nighttime driving, increasing the risk of accidents. Stay vigilant for signs of drowsiness, such as frequent yawning, difficulty keeping your eyes open, or drifting out of your lane. If you experience any of these symptoms, find a safe place to pull over and rest before continuing your journey. Well, folks, that wraps up our video on night driving safety tips. Remember to maintain your vehicle, optimize your lighting, stay alert and focused, practice defensive driving, minimize distractions, and be cautious of wildlife. By following these guidelines, you'll significantly reduce the risks associated with night drives. Drive safely, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you in the next video. Safe travels! Please subscribe our channel to get more informative videos. Thanks for watching.
Damn.